So it may be difficult to see on camera. It is, it's really dark down there. But that coolant is not blue. I'm not sure what color it is, but it is not blue. I think it's a mix. There's some green, some brown. So we're gonna take a look and see what we got. Here's our drain for the radiator. It looks all in one piece down here. We'll just let it splash until it's done. So I've taken the radiator cap and the bleed screw out. Yeah, that is green. It's got the wrong coolant in it, of course. Well, we're gonna fix that. So I flushed the system out with a gallon of distilled water, put a little pressure to push it through the system. So this is 50-50 mix, BMW coolant. Now eventually I'm going to go through the entire cooling system. This looks like it's got a lot of new parts, new radiator, belts. I'm going to keep pouring until it comes out of the bleeder screw hole. Keep pouring until all of the air bubbles come out of that. That looks pretty good actually. I think I got it. Okay, yep, wait. There's always a few more, right? There we go. Okay, I think we're good. Put the bleed screw back in. But anyway, this is going to get a coolant system refresh anyway, so this tank is known for exploding or cracking. I'm going to snug that gently. I'm going to start her up and let her run for a little bit, and then we'll play with the bleed screw and see if anything comes out. Coming up. Okay. Alright, I forgot to press record. It's dark too, but the splash shield's back on. I degreased it and cleaned it while I was waiting for the radiator to drain. Up top we're looking good. I'm going to do a test drive and see how things are going. Alright, we're going for a quick drive to check everything out. It has to be quick because I live in Southwest Florida and the sky is getting ready to open up. I think the car feels happier. Is that a thing? Can we measure that? Car happiness? Yeah, you guys see that line in the sky right there? It's coming towards us, and when it gets here, it's going to downpour. Now we'll do this again, I don't know, a couple of weeks, cycle all this out and put new in. But before that, I'm going to go through the cooling system because it's a well-known failure point on these cars. And that's going to be my top priority, to make sure that everything in the cooling system is new. If needed. I believe the radiator is new. I took a peek under there. It looks brand spanking new. So that's good news. But I'll check the rest out. And that's it. Thank you for watching.